Hello, Data Heroes! I have a new challenge for you. I'm Felipe Hoffa, a Google Cloud Developer Advocate, and I'm here to announce our new BigQuery Challenge, where every week we'll have two of you competing to get some cool prizes, and all you need to know is BigQuery and SQL. To participate, just go every week to goo.gle/BQChallenge and find the two queries we're going to post there. Run those two queries in BigQuery and post the answers you'll find on the participation form. Every week we'll randomly choose two winners between the correct entries, and then these two winners will get to compete head-to-head live to win the big prize. So go to goo.gle/BQChallenge and run the two queries you'll find there. And make sure to submit your answers using the participation form. And remember, BigQuery already has many shared datasets ready for your analysis, and you don't even need a credit card to get a free account with 1 terabyte of free queries every month. Stay curious and join our BigQuery Challenge.